The end of a romantic relationship can be one of life's most challenging experiences, leaving us feeling heartbroken, lost, and overwhelmed. While the pain of a breakup may feel insurmountable at first, it's essential to remember that healing is possible. In this video, we'll explore strategies and coping mechanisms to help you navigate the process of getting over a breakup and emerge stronger and more resilient on the other side. 1. Allow yourself to grieve. The first step in healing from a breakup is to allow yourself to grieve the loss of the relationship. It's normal to experience a range of emotions, including sadness, anger, guilt, and confusion. Give yourself permission to feel these emotions fully without judgment or suppression. Allow yourself to cry, journal, or talk to trusted friends or family members about your feelings. 2. Accept the reality. Acceptance is a crucial aspect of the healing process. Acknowledge that the relationship has ended and that it's okay to feel hurt and disappointed. Avoid dwelling on what could have been or assigning blame to yourself or your ex-partner. Instead, focus on accepting the reality of the situation and recognizing that endings are a natural part of life. 3. Practice self-care. During this challenging time, it's essential to prioritize self-care and nurture your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Engage in activities that bring you joy and comfort, whether it's going for a walk in nature, practicing mindfulness and meditation, or indulging in a favorite hobby. Take care of your body by eating nutritious foods, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly. 4. Establish boundaries. Maintaining healthy boundaries is crucial when going through a breakup, especially if there are still lingering feelings or unresolved issues between you and your ex-partner. Establish clear boundaries around communication, social media, and mutual friends to protect your emotional well-being and facilitate healing. Consider taking a break from social media or unfollowing your ex-partner to avoid triggering painful reminders. 5. Lean on support systems. Seeking support from friends, family, or a therapist can provide invaluable comfort and perspective during this difficult time. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you, and don't hesitate to reach out for help when you need it. Talking to someone who can offer empathy, understanding, and guidance can help you process your emotions and gain clarity about the situation. 6. Focus on personal growth. Use this period of transition as an opportunity for personal growth and self-discovery. Reflect on the lessons you've learned from the relationship and how you can apply them to future connections. Invest time and energy in activities that promote self-improvement and fulfillment, whether it's pursuing new interests, setting goals, or exploring your passions. 7. Take things one day at a time. Healing from a breakup is a gradual process that takes time and patience. Be gentle with yourself and remember that healing doesn't happen overnight. Take things one day at a time and celebrate small victories along the way. With each passing day, you'll gradually find yourself feeling stronger, more resilient, and more capable of moving forward. In conclusion, while the pain of a breakup may feel overwhelming, it's important to remember that healing is possible. By allowing yourself to grieve, accepting the reality of the situation, practicing self-care, establishing boundaries, leaning on support systems, focusing on personal growth, and taking things one day at a time, you can navigate the healing journey with grace and resilience. Remember that you are not alone, and with time and self-compassion, you will emerge from this experience stronger and more resilient than ever before.